Welcome back, Rankin family. So we are looking at the Coventry Homes. This is the Roxton floor plan right here in Harvest Green in Richmond, Texas. I'm excited to bring you this one. This one has just opened up about a week and a half ago, a little bit less, but I want to make sure I bring you the best of the best. Now, this floor plan is absolutely humongous, and I can't wait to show you the foyer of the property. But even just looking at the exterior, I love the stone. I absolutely love the stucco, not to mention you have the detached part over there, and we'll definitely get into that later on in the tour. So right here, you have this double front door right here with the glass pane, which I absolutely love as well. And then as soon as you walk into the foyer, you are gonna love this double staircase. So you have the rotunda-like ceiling right there. I absolutely love the staircase itself. It's great just for show purposes, but also just looking at the elegance and the modernness of this place. Absolutely stunning. So right here to the left, you're going to have this beautiful study right here. You have this built-in cabinetry all right there. Perfect for decor, decorations. If you just pop over there to IKEA, you can easily get all the decorations you would need. You also have that beautiful chandelier on top with the tall 20-foot ceilings. And not to mention, you do have the French doors. And then now going to the right, this is what we're going to be accessing as far as the formal dining room. I absolutely love the wine bar over here. You have the quartz countertops with the beautiful backsplash. That is one of the first times we've actually seen that backsplash right there. Not to mention the chandelier right over your dining room table. So keep in mind, folks, this is the model house. So a lot of this is for showcase purposes and just gives you an idea of what is possible inside the Roxton. So sometimes you may like some of the flooring, but you may dislike some of maybe the colors or some of the cosmetic upgrades. So if that is the case, reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of. And right here is going to be your powder bath, which I absolutely love. Look at the modernness and the sleekness of this powder bath. So this is perfect from a practical standpoint, just because folks can come straight from the great room to the powder bath without having to go in the bedrooms. Now, look how beautiful the great room is. You have your 20-foot ceilings inside of here. You have the sliders as well. You have the floor to ceiling stone fireplace, electric fireplace, not to mention the built-in shelving as well, which I absolutely love. And like I said, folks, this is one of those things where if you like some of the upgrades in here or you don't, just depending on your personal preference, we can definitely get you taken care of. Now, look how beautiful this is. So you have the great room attached to the kitchen. You have the beautiful quartz countertops, and you have multi-tone countertops, wooden range hood, stacked cabinets on the top as well. Built-in stainless steel, double oven. Absolutely fantastic. Just imagine living here, having all the family here. You have that open concept that we so much love. Fantastic. And I'd really love to hear your thoughts as far as the painted cabinets or the painted door right here. That's one of the first times we've actually seen that, but I think it definitely adds a unique touch, especially matching the countertops. So right here, look how much cabinetry space you have in here. Not to mention you have your waterfall countertops. You got your farmhouse sink right here. And then even just going over this way, your utility room is right here with the built-in cabinetry. So plenty of space inside of here for an oversized washer and dryer. And I really love to hear your thoughts as far as the utility room being next to the kitchen. Do you like that? Do you dislike that? Would you change anything? And then of course, this is a coat closet. So from a practical standpoint, imagine coming in from a long day of work. You come in the side access door right here. You're met with your coffee bar, as well as your beautiful kitchen. So right here, you could utilize this as an informal dining room or a breakfast nook. Most folks would most likely utilize that as a breakfast nook, which I would. And then inside of here, you have a nice size storage closet. So this will be perfect. You can easily put your decorations if you need to, or anything of that nature. So right here, you got your mudroom section, and then this will be close to the backyard, but we'll definitely get to that at the end of the tour. Right here, you could utilize this as a room. It is locked right now, but it just kind of gives you a basis of what we're working with. And then look at this. This is a garage right here. Like I said, we'll make sure to showcase other parts of the property as well. But what I want to do is we'll go up this side of the stairs. So if you notice, a lot of times the double staircase in the front, you may want to just utilize that as just showcase purposes, because the kiddos can easily just come up the stairs this way without messing up the wood and things like that. So right here, you got a little game room section area, built-in desk, 2 for your little ones if they want to go ahead and do homework at night, just so they'll get that taken care of. And then looking over here, look, you can see over the great room, and this is where we walked in the foyer. Absolutely fantastic. So let's move along. I'll make sure to open every single door that is open so that way you can see. So this will be another bedroom right here that's attached. You have your quartz countertops, you have your shower tub combo over there, and then not to mention you have a lot of space inside this bedroom, which I absolutely love. It's one of those things where you could easily fit a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, and you're pretty good to go. So right here, you got your closet, and make sure to stay tuned so I can show you the primary bedroom. So we'll keep going along. Head this way right here. And then right here to the left, you have another full-size bedroom. So, I mean, this Roxton is over 4,000 square feet. So this is one of the first times you might get lost in a property. A lot of times the ones that we see are about 3,000, 3,500 square feet. So this is one of the biggest ones that we've showcased, especially from Coventry Homes. And I'd love to hear your thoughts as far as the glass pane door right here. I think that I like that. Pretty unique. Then you got another closet. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out to Texas. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you can reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. And not to mention, if you're thinking about making a move to San Antonio, Austin, Dallas, Houston, I'll get you connected to the right local expert and you'll be in good hands. So this one does have the full size bathroom attached to it as well with the shower tub combo. You have your quartz countertops in here. I would definitely add a nice mirror frame right there, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way, you know when I drop a new video every single week. Okay, so we got those bedrooms up here. Now going on this section, you have another powder bath. And then this is your nice game room / media room area. So perfect. You got your nice sink over here with your countertops, perfect for a popcorn machine. You got plenty of space inside this game room. I would definitely add an LED ceiling fan on top, but that's just my personal preference. Quartz countertops again. So if you can imagine all the family right here, watching the football games, watching any movie, training day, anything, this is perfect. So you got plenty of space to add the theater-like seats right here, or even the couch, how you have it, just a love seat, and maybe a recliner, and you'll be good to go. So now what we'll do is I want to make sure I showcase the primary bedroom. So let's go back down the way that we came. And that way I can show you how beautiful this primary is. So if you notice in this floor plan, you have plenty of space, nothing short of excellence. And I think if it's something that you want as far as this is concerned, but you don't need that much square footage, you can obviously check out other plans that they got. So look how beautiful this primary is. You have your bay windows with the tray ceilings with the crown molding. Beautiful chandelier right here. Nice accent wall. I absolutely love that. And look how much space you have in here. Just the king size bed with the 2 oversized nightstands. Plenty of space. I love this cozy rug right here. And then even going into your ensuite, look how much space you have in here. You got your his and her sink with the quartz countertops, your rectangular soak-in tub, not to mention your vanity area over here, built-in cabinetry, plenty of space, extremely open. And look at this shower. Absolutely stunning. You got 2 shower niches, 2 shower heads, the built-in shower bench. Outstanding. Now you have your nice sized closet right here. You have plenty of space. Coat area right there. Amazing. And then of course you have your toilet right here, but just absolutely amazing. Sometimes we go inside of these primary bathrooms and you see it's kind of tight. You kind of got to move around the tub, but in here you have plenty of space. So if you can imagine walking out, all your family's right here, having a good time, laughing, kicking back, relaxing, and just enjoying each other's company. So before we do go to the backyard, what I want to do is I'm going to show you the outside of the property. So that way you can see how much parking space you have out here. You have plenty of space, not to mention just looking over there. Gosh, I absolutely love this. And then, so that door is locked right now, but it just kind of gives you a basis of where we were. And then now let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. So this one in this particular community is on a 75-foot lot. That's what it would be built on. But look at this. You have the high ceilings on the covered backyard patio, and you have this section over here as well. So you have plenty of space. You got your built-in grill, stainless steel over there. You can easily have 2-3 patio different patio sets, and this is perfect. And it's a little muddy over there, but that's what we're working with. And that, folks, is the lovely Coventry Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was the lovely Roxton right here in Richmond, Texas. Like I said, this is something, if you don't like this particular area, but you love this particular plan, you can obviously reach out. We'll get you connected to the right local expert. Me personally, I absolutely love that plan. I think that might be one of the best ones that we've actually seen through Coventry Homes, but they have a ton of different plans. They can accommodate any needs that you have. So of course, if you do want more information about this plan or any plan that I showcase, reach out. We'll get you connected to the right local expert, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.